2-hour learning to cook pizza journey. Got my new table, takes up to 100 kilograms. So I'm going to be using this table now for all of my, all of the ovens other than the Ooni Pro, which still is placed on the stainless steel table, and I keep that outside. Fold, so that's the size of it now, and then I fold it. Ooh, you fold it out like that. So like that. So I'm just going to make the legs longer because they extend. Okay, I've now extended the legs. Actually, what you've got to do also is put these into that position because I've just realized the whole table is crumbling. It'll definitely take the rock box, which I'm going to put on it now. Loving my new table. It's really good. It's got lots of like room on it. I think it's like 4 foot long. I haven't got any room left in my garage for anything, so everything's going to be like foldable and compact. I'm just going to turn this little baby on, and I put the gas on. It always ignites when I press ignite, which is always a good thing with gas ovens. Okay, off I go and make my pizza. This dough ball is exceedingly sticky. It's a 24-hour room proof and a 3-day fridge proof, and I pulled it back to room temperature. Yeah, look, straight through. Maybe I'll heal that up. I'm going to put it in and I'm going to see what happens. Okay. Oops, I've let that go too high. Oh no, I haven't, it's dead on. I thought that was 500. Yay, okay, that's good. So let's launch this in. Got my peel. Oh crikey, I'm going to turn it down a bit. I think I've got it on just a little bit. Not much. singed on the edges. That is really good. And no lifting of the peel or anything. That was a real-time cook, so that's pretty much how long it took. That's like perfect the way it's cooked. Those really good. Nice stone-based cook. Another piece. My dough came good. I mean, it was very sticky, it was very holy, and I was really worried that it was going to come out really badly. It is a bit like artisan-y. I mean, the crust, the shape is a bit not perfectly round, but the actual dough itself is really tasty, and it's got some leopard in there, so that's very good. And then we've got the base, which is a lovely golden colour. I don't think this camera's picking up the colours properly. I'm not biting into these because I got family members hovering behind me waiting for this, so I can't actually carve any more of it. So I'm just going to show you it. Yeah, I'm pleased with this dough. Came out good, very good, very nice, very, very nice, beautiful, tasty, thin as anything. Look at that, that's pretty thin. Cool. Just to show you, give you a, so very nice. So easy to cook. It's so easy. I don't get like stressed about whether I'm going to burn my crust, and I can push the pizza right up to that flame because it's not coming at the crust, but somehow it cooks it with its intense heat without burning it. And I feel like it's going to be quite hard for me to badly singe my pizza using it. I know this is only my third cook, but I really could have singed something quite badly by now because I've pushed that pizza right up to the back, but it hasn't, and it's cooked it quickly, and it's cooked it like that. So I'm very impressed actually. Very, very nice.